Namaskar, I am Chef Rajaram. Today I am going to make stir fried vegetable in Schezwan sauce. It is based on my experience. Now I am going to cook stir fried vegetable in Schezwan sauce. First, light up the gas. When Chinese kadahi becomes warm, add cooking oil in it. Add finely chopped garlic, ginger, and cook till light golden color. Now add diced onion, capsicum, put some salt, some crushed peppercorn, cook on high flame. After 2-3 minutes, capsicum and onion becomes very soft. Now add blanched broccoli in it. Cooked mushroom. When you are making the stir fried vegetables like broccoli, mushroom, carrot, we must pre-cook it. Now add Schezwan sauce in it. I have already made a video how to make Schezwan sauce, so you can watch my video. Now I will add little bit vinegar, some soya sauce, toss it, spring onion, dice of green chilli. Just cook 1 minute more on high flame. Check the salt. Finally, our stir-fried vegetable is ready to serve. Now, put in a bowl. Garnish with spring onion. Our stir-fried vegetable is ready to serve the guest. If you have already cooked Schezwan sauce, it will take 10 minutes to prepare the stir-fried vegetable.